Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Solana video update for Monday. Is it? Yeah, it's Monday. So what is going on? We actually have a very big, huge pump to the upside for SOP right now, and that's actually quite amazing. But there's one resistance that it actually came up to, and that's going to be the 393 level. So we really need to see this resistance getting broken, otherwise it's not going to be a good idea to start trading again. So don't get any bullish anytime soon, that much. What I'm going to do is actually remove all the drawings here, and I'm going to show you that resistance once again. So boom, here we are. That's the resistance that we're looking forward to, right? So I'm going to show you. Previously, you came down, you made a support level here, broke it out, went for the retest, got rejected, came down again. Right now you're moving up again, and you are still getting rejected. If somehow you see SOP actually goes up here, break this level, and comes for the retest, there's a good chance you might even move to the upside once again. So it's all about breaking this resistance. Just as I was telling you, down here, if it actually does break this resistance as well, then there's a good chance that you might be making some moves to the upside. So major resistance is already approached. Can it break? It could even break in the next coming few days, few hours potentially. Breaks out of it, comes for the retest. I'm expecting maybe a retest of the EMA. So let me actually bring the EMAs. Let's look at it on the daily time frame as well. Yeah, so on the daily you might be looking actually to go up to to the 20, maybe the 439, and then from here actually do everything. So today's actually quite important. You might even actually find this resistance of the 10 EMA. Let me tell you, the 10 EMA has been a big resistance. Okay, so here it was a resistance, there it was a resistance, and right now it can be a resistance, and you also have resistance here. So this can also be the end of the pump right here, and that's why I'm saying it's really important to break out of this level, and you're going to be breaking out of the 10, and you might come up here, make up a coil a little bit of the 10 and the 20, and then you're looking to actually pump here to the 55 as well, and go to the 692, unless we don't break that resistance. And I would like to take an entry if it actually break the resistance and comes for the retest. And that's it for today's SOP update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.